My name is Jose Martin Arcigua, and today and right now I'm gonna show you how to disconnect a connection using CLI commands. So, given this network diagram, show in your video the following. So, given by sir, step number 1, from switch to disable the connection to the laptop. So, what we're gonna do is click switch to and click CLI command, CLI, and press enter and type enable. After you've done that, you have the privilege mode to configure connections, and after that, all you have to do is type configure terminal. If it show open and close parenthesis config and some hashtag in it, it means now you can config a connection. Now press enter, and to config an internet connection, all you have to do is type interface fast Ethernet, and the number of the connection. To know the number of connection, all you have to do is hover your mouse over here and you'll see the connection. So the connection number is 9/1, and that's what you're gonna type here. So to configure the specific connection, all you have to type is interface fast Ethernet 9/1. And after that, if you have config, to disable the connection, all you have to do is type shutdown. There. So to see if the connection is down, all you have to do is IP interface brief. So it is invalid, so all we have to do is exit and exit again and enter and IP interface show IP. So you can see in the 9/1 it is administratively down. It means the connection is down. So as you can see here, it's red. Now it is disabled. Okay. Number 2, switch 3 to disable the connection to PC4. Repeat the same thing, the same commands in the CLI. Click right here, CLI. You see in here, it is in privilege mode. All you have to do is type enable again and do the same commands like in the first one. Enable. Interface. So the connection is H/1. So go ahead to switch 3. Interface fast Ethernet. Sorry, I forgot /1.
Pag-install mo ng Steam, gagawa, kahit may doon yung folder niya Steam, gagawa siya ng folder.
So, press shutdown. So, change state to down. It is disconnected. Now, for number 3, switch 1, disable the connection to DHCP server. So, click right here and do the same thing. Do the same commands again. So, enter, enable, config terminal. You can type config terminal for shortcuts. So, right there, interface, show the number of connection over your mouse right here, 0/1. Switch 1. /1. Ayun mga. /1. So the state is down. Then for number 4, establish the connection from for item 1, 2, and 3. All we have to type is, so we go to switch 2. So is there in so
Meron, sa amin meron.
interface,
Bawal nga sa kanila kasi hindi mo
interface,
Nana mo ba siya no, Duway?
9/1.
Nana mo ba si Duway?
Ba't di mo ko yung ayaw ba? Bisa
9/1.
pa sa sili. Kailan kasi nabili?
Ay, sorry. Config term interface times /1. And to reestablish the connection, all you have to type is no shut down. So you just change state to up. You can see here it is reestablished. So go to switch 3. No shut down. And here again. No shut down. So all the disabled connection are reestablished. So that is all. Thank you.